Am I recording? I should be recording. Oh yeah, okay. Hello everyone. Today, I'm showing you how to make another motorcycle because, well, why not? Anyway, it should be starting up. Wait. That's strange. Okay, that's really strange. Oh well. Here it is. I swapped specifically over to white and black just so I can show you how to make this thing, and it's a little bit more clear what I'm connecting the blocks to. So obviously first you want to start out with the motorcycle seat. And in case you didn't know, there's two connection points down here. So place down a 1x2 and copy another 1x2 onto the bottom. Next, head over to propulsion. I should probably slow down. And spin that around. You've got to be kidding me. Oh well. Next, place down a block 1x3, copy that over to the other side, and now go to mechanics, take out a steering hinge, place it there. Okay, I really need to slow down. Place that there, head over to tubes, and pull out the T-piece, rotate it like so, and copy that to the other side. This is my design, by the way. Copy. And now head over to wheels and pull out the first motorcycle wheel. Oh, that's backwards. I don't know why that was backwards. And yeah, you should have this now. Let go and try the turning. And try, that should happen, okay? So don't be worried if that happens. Copy this. Now head back to tubes, and since there's no tube 1x2, that's a 1x8. Turn that around, copy it, place it on the other side, spin that around, and now take out a motorcycle wheel. That time it was straight. And then take the corner piece and copy it over to the other side. Oh wait, I forgot something. Move that one back, go back to this block 1x3 that you placed at the back earlier, copy it, and then copy it again up to the top. And now you need to head over to the aerodynamics, grab the wedge 1x2, copy that all across the 1x3 block, pull out the block 1x2, place it in the middle, take out this block again, copy it, copy this again. You're gonna have to do a lot of copying and pasting when you're making this thing. Copy it again, and that's the entire back. But now, this part, which I'm about to add, is entirely optional, but I like adding it just to make it look better. And now, place that there, and that there. Now you should have a look like this. And now you can hop out of the editor and test it out. Whee! This thing drifts a lot. How to get a perfect drift with this thing though is to find a sharp turn and then stop throttling and then turn. Like, okay, here's another optional part which I forgot to show you. And you can take these shield pieces and place them on the bottom so then your engines don't constantly blow up. And the reason why I placed 3 there is so then, you know, the weight's a little bit more even. Actually, how? Okay, do that, and okay, never mind, you can't add anything there. Now, you should be done. As you can